Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager of the Northeast region with Donastar Enterprises, and today we'll be going over how to utilize your switchover valves. This is a switchover valve right here, so they can switch this back over to the bulk side. This is the line coming from the bulk tank, and then or they can switch it over to here, and then this is gonna take from their spare tank, which is, so we got that on now. You can hear the pumps activating because they're getting CO2 now. We thank you all for watching. Please reach out to us at www.donastar.com or 833-366-2782 to find out more about our water filtration systems and also for tech support.